Hi, this is Aziz Khan, and in this video, I will show you how to make a small video in Filmora. The reason to make this video was that I just went to a trip, and when I came back, I thought that let me share my filmmaking experience. So, usually, when we make a video, we try to start it with some kind of title or some starting thing. So, for example, I have some of these small starter, like if I put this one, you can see it here in the video as well. So it can also give us a good starting thing. So what can I do is that, okay, I take it as a start, and then I can put a title on it so that people can know that what kind of video I'm going to make. So let me make a 3D title, and let me make the title up to the start so that the title remain for the whole start. And once I'm in the title, I can change whatever is being written here. So if I double click on it, I have one text box here. Because this video is basically about Filmora itself, so let me just name it Filmora. Okay, now this is in the center, as you can see. So I can give it entry and an exit. So for example, in entry it will be coming as a 3D flying, and for the exit it will zoom away. Okay, and the exit I can put it like, for example, last 1 second, almost 1 second should be the exit, and 2 seconds should be the entry. Okay, so let me run it. So you see this Filmora came, it stays, and then it exits. So this is a very good way of starting your video. And as you have seen that how much simple it is, I have here many other choices, but I just because I want to keep it a bit brief as well. It's not an introduction to Filmora. It's just about how much easy or how much fast it is to make a movie. So my own data is in these pictures and videos. I have just dragged and dropped it on my project, so it is in the main folder. These are the same videos, see, same videos and some pictures. So like I can start from one picture. Let me put this picture here. So we can see what will happen, that after that it will show us this picture for a while. And here what we can do is that I can put some text on this picture to tell the people that what is going on here. So I can again put it through the title. I can give this picture also a title, and I can give it a smaller title like this one. So let me put this title here, and let me put this title for less time. Then I will double click on it. It is, let me use the same. Okay, let me give it a name that it was made by me. And I can, like, for example, give it another title. uh, and this title I can start a bit later. And so I can make it bigger. I click on advanced, it will take me to this window. I can make it of a bigger size, more bigger. A visit to Nathia. Let me correct some mistakes. A visit to Nathia Kali. Okay. So here we can see that how much easy are things. Now let me go back to the media, and let me see this picture. Okay, let me some title to this picture. Let me use this title. This size is very big. Let me make it small. Okay, let me place it here. Change the color as well. Because this is not visible, Okay, it's not allowing me to change the color. Okay, currently I'm more interested to make the process fast. So I will not go in a lot of detail that how it is looking, it's looking good or bad. I will just try to make it faster. So as we see that we are adding things and a video is being kind of generated, and here I can just copy and paste this one, and let me remove this part. Okay, so this was another scene. uh, then let me copy and paste again, and okay, because I'm trying to make it fast. Okay, okay, so this will be coming as a 3D fly because I'm not changing these, but we have the option to change these to make as per your own wishes as you like it. Then let's add this video. Let me change it a bit. And let me change the preset to normal. Let me make it okay. Okay, let me try to. Okay, I'm not getting this clearly. Let me change it and let me make it a bit smaller as well. Okay, okay, we can make it a bit longer. Okay, let me add one more so we can make anything and then we can adjust its position. Like here we can again change the color so it's more visible now. Then we have one more video. This is not a video but okay, so let me almost finish it because this is only bringing the 3D, so let me bring this back. Let me change the size. Okay, for this one we can put no animations, so we can remove the animation. Let me see if I have missed any picture or no, I have almost put everything. So my video is kind of finished. Mm, Let me add some background audio to it. Mm, so like for example, for the start, let me put this, let me hear it. So I feel it's not very bad. Let me just use this. I can decrease the size if I cannot increase for these kind of audios. Okay, I can change the voice to echo or some different thing. Okay, so I will keep it for the start scenery only. For the remaining one, let me try to add some other audio. Uh, okay, okay. So, so let me try to add something. Let me add something. some piano. So this looks to be something big size. The size is very big. I make a kind of mistake. My this video is only 55 seconds. So I can make it to 1 minute somehow. I don't want to make a very long video. And so let me end it on some end note or some end video. Let me end it on this picture and let me put it as the end. So now this is our start, so we can make a transition here because transition helps us to go from one layer to another layer. So let me show it to you the full movie. So the good thing is that if you have seen, we just finished almost a 1 minute movie in I think less than half an hour, and from here I can directly export it to uh, like I can export it to my local disk or device or YouTube or TikTok or anywhere. So I hope you will like this all. Uh, I just try to show you that how much fast and easy it is to make a movie, and like for example I can just put it on YouTube and give it a name, and okay, I have some categories, so I can put it as tourism, national sci-fi horror for family, documentary comedy, science, travel and events. I can tag it as travel Murray, Pakistan, Nathia Gully. So this is the duration and everything, and I put export, so within a few minutes this will be exported on my YouTube channel. I have to set up my channel only for the first time. It asks you for authentication from the YouTube server, and it's then itself sets itself for the whole time. So I hope you should like it, and you should also use Filmora, because how much easy it is. I did not go into detail of a lot of things because it was not a kind of tutorial of the whole app, but it was just a small video to show you that how much easy and fast it is to make a video in Filmora and then upload it to any of your channel. So keep watching and keep sharing, and see you in any of my next video. Okay, goodbye.